Hello, and welcome to Technology and Social Change. It's the fall semester, and we're getting ready for something new. First, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Amber Frederick, and here's a picture of me. I am from the great state of Louisiana. Here I included a video which tells you about Louisiana if you're not familiar with it, and some of the things that Louisiana is famous for. My favorite is actually the food. I love the food and the music. Where I'm from is what they describe as Cajun culture, Cajun country. I do speak a little Cajun French. We eat very, very spicy foods, mostly seafood. My favorite is crawfish. I'm very proud to be from Louisiana, and I wouldn't rather call any other place home. I have a few important individuals, animals in my life. This here on the right is my boyfriend Aaron. We've been together for quite a while. Not that that really matters. On the left, you'll see my dog, Phoebe. I've been having her for 6 years since she was a puppy. And then also, here is my dog, Simba. I also have another dog, which is the German Shepherd. I don't have any pictures of him on my computer. And I also have 13 ferrets as well. In my free time, I like to take pictures. Here's some of my work. It's really fun. And also, I like to play pool. I'm on an APA, amateur pool league. I play twice a week. It's a lot of fun. It's really good to get out and visit with friends as well. And when I'm not doing that, I love to spend time with my family. We like to get together and cook and eat. And when time allows, I also like to read and watch TV. My goals in life basically is to have a successful career. I want to succeed at teaching online education, and therefore I value feedback. So if there's anything that you think that I can improve on in being an online educator, please let me know. I not only want to grow as an individual, but as a team player. Because even though I work in distance education, I also have to work with you as my students. And so sometimes I have to compromise to make things work for you. So just let me know if there's anything I can do for you, because I am very eager to do so. I also never, ever hope to lose the eagerness to learn. I'm very, very curious, even about things that probably don't even make sense to some. There's something about learning that just captures me. So, I hope that I never lose the ability to, or lose the want to. I also want to be admired by my students, not by just who I am, but what I have to offer as their teacher. So, I would absolutely love to have a personal relationship with you, although it's not always necessary through distance education. But I definitely want to be there for you as a teacher. So please, again, let me know if there's anything I can do to help you. Now, since I've given you an example of what I'm looking for, this video that I created is actually an introduction video, and I wanted you to do one about yourself. You're going to create an interactive presentation. As you've seen, I've used animations, I've used videos, I've used pictures. Be creative. Dress it up. You're going to make a video just like I am now with instruction, and you're going to post it on your YouTube channel and then share it in your Google community. And we definitely want, the reason for this project specifically is so that you can practice using ISTE standards. And these are the ones that we are aiming to be objectives for this assignment. Alrighty guys, I think you've just about got it. If you do have a chance, do go and watch the Louisiana video. And I can't wait to see your presentation.